not being able, always standing in the wrong spot. Somebody would walk, 2 people in the kitchen, it just didn't work. You always felt that you were in the way or getting pushed around.
Just push.
Now, the kitchen was one place that we used quite a lot. We don't use the kitchen, bathroom as much.
Sorry.
Yeah.
We wanted a new kitchen because we wanted a new house, so we couldn't afford a new house, so we thought we'd change this house. Now we've got a beautiful light kitchen, whereas the other one was really dark and not our taste.
Smallish, yeah.
I love the storage, I love the pantry, which we didn't have before. That was definitely a very high priority on the list when we designed the new one.
Yeah.
We love
It's
the
got
bed.
a stainless steel bench for me, and the way they can actually move around the kitchen.
You can have 2 people in the kitchen and there's room to move. You don't sort of feel like you're in the way.
It's definitely free flowing. We went to a couple of other kitchen places, and when we met Avesh, he was friendly. He sort of like as a person, quite like that.
And he got us. He got what we were trying to
Trying
do
to
with
do,
the kitchen.
yeah.
He understood. You didn't have to sell it to him. He just clicked.
Yeah,
didn't
all
he?
the other places were pretty much
They sort of
trying to change
yes.
designs and things.
We had a long time to think
yes.
about what we wanted, and we knew quite well.
Yeah.
So it was nice not to have someone trying to change our mind, but just sort of give us different opinions or different ideas that we may not have thought of, because we're sort of so channeled into what we thought we wanted that sometimes you just need a bit of a tweak, and we just felt that we should really helped with that, didn't we?
Yeah, it did. Yeah.
They listen to your ideas, they give you suggestions, but they don't push you into things you don't actually want, and they help make your kitchen what you want, and they help make it beautiful. So definitely go to Kitchen Studio.